Multiple offers, tons of showings, and busy open houses. Here is your housing market update for January 2023. No, it's not as crazy as it was during the peak last year, but it's also not as low as it may seem. Among the industry, we have noticed that buyer activity is picking up. Although there was a slow start in sales this month, there are more showings at listings, open houses are busier, and multiple offers have happened. Part of the reason why we are seeing this is that we are at the lowest level of new supply for new listings in over 30 years. That doesn't mean that we're heading back to bidding wars. There has been pent-up demand for the past 4 to 6 months in the market where buyers and even sellers have been on the fence waiting to see what happens. Interest rate hikes have also caused this pause. Now that we're hopefully at the end of increase in rates, buyers and sellers will start to hop off that fence. We're already seeing that as people are more comfortable with the market conditions. Ultimately, we should see a normal and busy spring real estate market. The benchmark prices for detached homes is around $1.35 million. For townhomes, $770,000 and condos around $503,000. If you're looking to know what's happening in your area, please give us a call or send us a DM and we'd be happy to help. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your family and friends.